Hey biscuits, welcome back. If you love any of the t-shirts that you see on my Instagram or on here, a lot of these I design and I sell on my little homeware site, so you can just click on down in the description box to the links and links on over. It's zazzle.com/thewholesomefeed. This one is In Pursuit of Magic and it comes in men's and women's versions, so it's a pretty fun way to support the channel. But getting back to what I was going to talk about on this video, I got distracted because I saw the pretty blue and I was like, oh, I should talk about the t-shirt. Oh, I distracted myself, I did. So how can you keep your house clean when you work from home? Because you're using your home a lot more, right? You're here all the time. You've got your little kids around probably if you're working from home and you're a mama like I am. So ways that I keep it clean are to clean at mealtime. So I know that I have to take a break from working or from momming or whatever I'm doing to make meals. I need to make breakfast, lunch, dinner, plus snacks, right? And tea time. So I take a break then and I will spend 5 minutes, maybe half an hour, depending on what the mess is, some point during meal prep to clean up a little bit. So I might wipe down counters, I might clean some dishes that I left on the sink from the other night. It happens. I get tired of that. Sometimes I'm like, I'll do the dishes in the morning. At nighttime, I can pick up some toys with my son and make sure that we're tidying. Sometimes I'll do a quick sweep or a quick vacuum in the morning. Just kind of tidy things up as I go. So that's one of the big ways that if you work from home, whether you've got dog or cat babies or human babies, and you're trying to clean as you go and still get work done and still be a good mom or dad, is that you can clean around meal times because you're taking a break from whatever you were doing anyway, and that really helps. Another thing that I do, work from home and trying to keep the house from being a total and utter mess, because let's be honest, you've seen how bad my house can get, and that's just with one kid. I mean, God bless everybody. I've always thought I would have like 4 or 5 kids, and I just think, what would my house look like? It would be even more terrifying. So another thing that I do though, is if you're a work from home parent, it means that your work and your home life kind of merges in a way that can make it a little bit more difficult to line up and delineate what tasks you're going to do when is it work time and when is it cleanup time, when is it play time, when is it relaxing time, right? That can be harder. There's more of gray edging and it just kind of fades into each other of what you're doing at what point during the day. So what I'll do is I'll get my son involved with cleaning. I will say, okay, you have to put away these 5 things, because if I ask him to put away all his toys, suddenly his legs don't work and his arms fall off and he's just too tired. But he can do a couple of things. So age appropriate things with your children to get them to tidy, because that's going to help them see and you see what point of the day it is. Is it cleanup time? Okay, we're all going to clean up together. It's not just going to be mom, it's not just going to be dad cleaning while the kids make more of a mess. And that then helps me too when I know that, it's work time, then I can focus on that and know that cleaning time is going to be a separate time from relaxing time, because the whole family is going to get in on it. And that makes it much easier when you are all at home together to kind of line up your schedule and make it work so that everybody's working together and you don't end up feeling like you're either working or cleaning, right? And that's not a good feeling. You want to feel like the whole team, the whole family is doing it together. And a third thing that I do is sometimes I just let it go. I relax for a moment. It can be really stressful to work for yourself. You are your own worst critic. You are telling you what to do. Only you know what has to be done, and you can be a rough taskmaster, right? Self-employment is a lot of long hours. And oftentimes, at least for me as a mama, it's a lot of long hours, when my son is asleep, and so I'm not getting as much sleep. There can be wonderful, beautiful value in your life happiness to sometimes just let the cleaning go when you work from home and realize that, you can do it before bed, you can do it in the morning when you get up. You can give yourself permission to sit down for 15 minutes and just take a breath, just relax, and you will be amazed at how much cleaner your house will be when you aren't constantly burning yourself out at all ends, right? You don't want to burn the candle at both ends. You're just going to melt into a little blob of wax. It's not going to be nice. Now, beeswax, very healthy and natural. I get that, but still, you don't want to be a blob of beeswax. You want to be relaxed and happy. So give yourself permission when you work from home. Just sit down and do nothing for just a little bit. Just to relax and recenter yourself. It makes a big difference in your ability then to clean and to work and to parent and to have fun during the rest of the day. Hey, thank you so much, Biscuits. If you love these videos, give them a thumbs up. I love hearing from you. You can always email me or message me over on Instagram, and check out my links in the description box because I link to all my fun stuff. I get asked about that a lot. I link to my blog, I link to my tea shop that I design, I link to all of the romance novels that I write, which is my other full-time gig, which is, you know, why I have to stay up and work when my son is asleep. And figure out how to clean, you know, from working from home, because it's a different scenario than when you work out of the home. And there's benefits and complaints with both. We're all lucky to get to be doing what we are. And I have so much gratitude in my heart for getting to work from home and be with my son so much. But it does mean that you have to put some thought into how are you going to clean? What are some cleaning hacks for work from home parents? So I hope this helped. I will see you all around. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel. And hey, if you haven't already, subscribe and follow along. See you on the next video.